Alright, you guys, we just got off the plane. We are at, where are we? Hanaku Sanbangai, somewhere, I think, yeah, that station, that's where we are right now. We're gonna go get some food at this building behind me. And let's go. 많이 음식 먹고 싶어. 일본어 타베루 혼토 오이시 desu. I remember. 기억. Yo guys, it's your boy LetsGoBJones, and right now I'm in Osaka, Japan with this very mean lady. I think you guys know her. So mean to me. She's been yelling at me the whole trip, but it's okay. So we just got off the airport bus or whatever. We are in Osaka and we're about to get some food, okay? We're really hungry. We just ordered, so yeah. So we're gonna get some food, okay, you guys? I'm gonna show you some amazing Japanese food. Peace. Whoa. Hey guys, so I got my Japanese ramen and it looks very delicious and I'm about to eat it. Let's see how it tastes. I don't know, it's very good. I got some noodles in it. 너무 맛있다. Very good. Oh my god, hot. And got some random meats and stuff in it. So delicious.
It's tasty. And like there's a special taste in it. Like spicy. It's good. Really delicious. That's a lot.
Guys, I'm gonna try this spicy noodle thing. It's good to know. What is it, shrimp? Shrimp 안에 있어?
Shrimp and bacon and tomato.
It's got some yacha. It's pretty good to it. Okay, you guys, I got some Japanese dumplings. I'm gonna try some of these. Ready? Pretty good. I like it. I dig it. 맛있다. 진짜. You ate all of it though.
Because I was hungry.
자, 배고파? 배고팠어? Dance. Do it.
What?
Really, just dance. Do it, funny. It'll be funny. You guys, we're getting married. Look at that. We're getting married. You wanna get married? 결혼하고 싶어? 진짜? 왜 안 하고 싶어? 나를 싫어해? 왜요? 저는 한국에서 제일 예쁜 남자.
예쁜 남자?
네, 예쁜 남자. 제일 예쁜 남자. 야, 미친냐? 돼질래? 야. Dance. You gotta dance. It's the transition.
No.
It's our transition. You're not gonna dance? guys, we're heading to the Apple store now to go pick up my MacBook. Picking up my MacBook. Yeah. Yo, it's really packed on the train. We out here. Hey guys, how's it going? Today's your boy Brandon. Right now I have arrived to Shinsabashi Station, and this is where the Apple Store Osaka is. And we're gonna go there and pick up my MacBook. Finally, I'm going to be able to get back to work. I flew to Japan to pick up a MacBook. Awesome. You wanna say something?
No, I'm just exhausted. I'm tired. I want coffee.
I want coffee. Well, you got money too. You got a job. Let's go.
He's the worst boyfriend.
I'll give you
ever.
$10 an hour to camera work the whole time.
You owe me
Okay.
everything.
Okay.
You owe me dinner.
I owe you.
And food in Osaka. Food in Japan. He owe me.
Anyways, you guys, yeah, we're heading.
He's like fat.
You guys, it's me on the screen. Look, that's me modeling. That dude. Who's that, GCJ? We're at the Puma store.
I look pretty.
What?
He said something like, my lipstick doesn't look good.
We still got our suitcases with us because, like I said, I'm going straight to the Apple store to go pick up my MacBook. Why am I getting a new MacBook? Because someone wanted one. And she took mine. But I sold it to her. I sold it at a discount. I gave her like $600 off. So, because it was literally brand new 13-inch. It was a brand new 13-inch. Me lie? You're calling me a liar? This is the Apple store right here? Oh shoot, it's right here. Look at you. Apple store. Yeah, Jones.
Oh,
Yep.
oh. It's on the top, huh?
Yeah, and I need to buy Apple Care.
You want to buy Apple Care?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We still get taxed off because I have passport.
For the warranty, we need to.
야, 너무 화나요. 너무 화나요. 저는 애플케어를 사고 싶은데 할인 안 받을 거예요. 왜냐면 커스터마이즈 랩탑이 있어요. 애플 싫어. 너무 싫어요. 샘성 너무 좋아요. Mr. 샘성 한국에서 제일 샘성 남자예요. 10 샘성 촬영했어요. 한 개 애플 촬영. 그래서 샘성 너무 또 좋아요. 화나요.